Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm creating some coasters. Christmas is already over, but to create some coasters for some gifts it's always good. So I have 4 by 4 inch MDF boards and I will do a double dip. And for my background I will use my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and my pouring medium, and I have phthalo green, yellowish green, manganese blue and Prussian blue. And for this type of pour, it's pour you don't need the whole lot paint on it, because otherwise it's just, because with those I'm going for like a tree effect, and the best way to get them is not to have too much paint. Maybe I already added too much of it, I don't know. It's so cold here in Slovenia. We have snow, we have cold, it's just winter. So that's why I decided that I will do those little projects, because sometimes paint reacts a little differently when it's cold. So what I will do is I will add just a stripe of color here, and because we will press them together and spread them apart, it will go a little more, down. And I just decided that I will go with this minimalistic kind of color palette. Greens and blues are always nice together, and pearl white for some effects. So press them together. And slowly apart. And you see, because of the pearl white, I got this lacing here and there that I like. Just need to add a little more white here. And again, drizzle some white, pearl white on. I really encourage you, if you are a beginner, to try some dips, because they are beautiful and so easy to create. With if you want to achieve this tree effect, you have to have some solid surface, not canvas, because it will create a little slightly different result, but nothing wrong with that. But if you're going for a tree effect, I would do it on MDF boards or coasters. Tiles. Sorry. I will do the same because I want them to match, to have a set that I will resin when the weather will be a little more little warmer, because For resin you have to have warm weather. So let's do it. Press them together. And spread. See? Simple as that. And because we had this pearl white for the background, we get this nice looking lacing here and there. You know, the paint will level out, so don't be afraid to add a little more where you think that you need. I will just do this here just to pull this down. And I will just scrape this because I will use it at the end. I will show you. We don't waste paint, but for most of the techniques you need a little more paint, and then you can play with the leftovers. I lately like to show, you know, that you can how you can use leftovers too, because some people still think that we waste all this paint, but we don't. Okay, so this time I will pour paint here in the middle, in the circle in the middle, and then blow here, and then do I will just add a little bit here, and then we will press them together. Okie doke. Green. And you really don't need a lot of paint for that, so it's budget friendly, it's easy, so definitely something that you want to try if you are a beginner or not. I'm not a beginner and I still love those. Ooh, I have something. Okie doke, so I will just blow here in the middle straight down. Maybe I should add a little more white. Let's see. So there is definitely less paint than it was in our previous ones. So I have to make sure that I will press them together well. Let's see. So with this technique, you see, you get this white that we had in the bottom, like a moon or something, and I like that effect too, so definitely nice one. I like it, but as you see, there is not as much lacing with that. It's more like I don't know how to say, but still beautiful. So let's put those. So here they are. Those are first two. Beautiful lacing. And I don't mind if there is some MDF kind of showing through the color of the MDF, because it gives kind of a depth, so there is more of the lacing. I like it. And the second ones that we did a blob in the middle and then blow and press. The second pair was a little, I don't know what I did, but still like them because of those three effects. And this is what we got with the scrape offs and a touch of the color. So yeah, I like to do those. And I know that some people are new, so that they can try that too. I want to show them here and there. And as I said, because it's so cold, I just want to do some little projects, not the bigger ones. So thanks for being here. Tell me what you think about it. And see you again on the next one. Bye!